Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you...
Morning guys, just waking up just outside of Castlegar. We're on a really busy road. Every time I try and talk, a car goes by. So this is gonna be really difficult to try to record any videos here. Take off and get out of here, or I already had my breakfast, got my coffee ready to go. We're gonna go look for something interesting to go look at. We will catch you in a second. We'll see you at the next location, guys.
Single day, I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain. And
wow, look at that lens flare. That's so cool. So I'm just chilling in the car. I got my heating pad on, got my dehydrated vegetables in the pot in my Logostina, and I've got my noodles. We're gonna enjoy a little pot of soup before I head out, and we're gonna go check out Millennial Park in Castlegar. It feels like it's -7 according to the weather network, and apparently we're having gusts of 43 kilometers per hour. But got my heating pad on, the solar panels getting charged at the same time. I'm cooking my food in the propane. We got the sunroof wide open so we don't die from propane fumes and blah 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 blah. It's beautiful. Very nice sunny day. We'll catch you in a few seconds.
And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down.
Turtle. Figure out how to fly. How does a turtle fly? I don't know. This guy's so cool. He's got this smile. He's having the time of his life.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 still go, 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 slow, go, still go, go, there's no hope, go, still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
I don't know how this is actually. Canada 150, what? Looks cool though. Fancy. Alright, so I've come to the realization that living in the car in this cold weather, I've used about $20 to $25 Canadian to keep my car warm or warm up in the morning and charge a battery, because those are the two big things. It's keeping the car warm and keeping the batteries charged. There's nothing I can do besides getting in like an inverter generator to charge my batteries, because there's no sun and the solar panels at the wrong angle to gather the energy that it should be producing. So when I looked it up on the solar calculator, my solar panel is supposed to be at 18 degrees, because that's where the sun is at 18 degrees from my solar panel. Now that was in trail, so every time I go into different cities, the angle of my solar panel has to change to be optimized to gather the exact solar equivalent that the panel is supposed to be producing. So those are like three huge things that I've got to deal with living in the car. Now I do have something to solve one of those problems. Now to figure out the rest of it. Those are a couple things that I've got to deal with living in the car. Anyways, we'll catch you guys.
She a nice country girl and she looking real pretty. Get her to the bedroom to get busy. Yeah, little did you know, damn, this girl's filthy. Yeah, we're getting hella fucked up, talking about who knows what, talking shit and getting lit while filling up my bread cup. Jackie's got a nice butt, heard she likes to try stuff. Telling lies to pass the time, we're never gonna shut up. Eddie's still a virgin even though he says he lost it. David says he wants a threesome with 2 hot chicks. Kelly says she's down, if he wants it then he got it. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip.
I'm out here learning new things. This is a steel arch bridge. That's pretty cool. This bridge over here is this steel cable suspension bridge. We'll catch you guys at the next location.
Let's go. Let's go. Yo, Benny in the basement, hooking up with Jason. Always has another guy in the rotation. All this temptation, bed's never vacant. Now I hear the Mormons are in an engagement. This shit is crazy.
This road was built for cars. This is crazy. It's just single lane, literally. There's not even a spot to pull over. Like if you had to pull over and let the other guy cross. Like, how does that work? Interesting.
Too much, man, always wanna talk shit. Ladies all around, keep it going, they will not quit. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip.
Just out here making another cup of coffee because I already finished one. Went and visited the Brilliant Suspension Bridge. Very cool. Off to the next location. We'll see you guys there.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy.
So I just stopped. I thought I'd take a little quick picture and a video of the Kootenay River Brilliant Hydroelectric Dam. There's a lot of traffic, so I'm sorry about the noise, but pretty cool, pretty big, pretty fancy. So it looks like the main dam is 145, and there's a second addition to it, which adds another 125 megawatts. So this produces 270 megawatts of electricity is powered from here. We'll catch you at the next location.
When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't stop.
I see it. Oh, do I ever see it? It's beautiful. I haven't even seen the whole thing yet. I just know it's beautiful. I love waterfalls. Love water. Hate swimming in it when it's cold. Let's go check this out.
When I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't
Wow, this is so cool. It's like falls, frozen falls. What do you want to call it? Winter falls? Glade winter falls. It's not summer anymore. They're not waterfalls. Now they're winter falls. It's absolutely pretty freaking cool, dude. Well, thanks for following along, guys. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate that you guys stayed till the end. So we will see you guys in the next episode. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification icon. You get instant notifications that I'm actually uploading videos. Because I'm going to go find more falls like that. And I'll post them for you. Because that's what I like to do. I like waterfalls, camping, hiking, mountain biking, fishing. But obviously, it's a little cold right now. So we'll catch you in the next location, guys. See you guys later. Peace out.